The obsession is real. Yes, I'm talking about TubeBuddy. When you have a YouTube channel and you want to grow your YouTube channel, TubeBuddy is an essential plugin to install. In this video, I will share exactly how I use TubeBuddy features to grow my YouTube channel so that you can implement easily for your channel as well. TubeBuddy is a plugin where you can install on your YouTube channel and optimize your videos so that it can get reached out to more viewers. I have been using TubeBuddy for almost 2 years and I have seen how it has helped me grow my YouTube channel. I have a free account link if you want to install TubeBuddy in your YouTube channel. I have it linked above on the text and also in the description. Even though the free plan is good enough to kickstart, but I would recommend you to upgrade to the Pro plan. And if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, you get 50% off. Alright, let's dive in. I have my screen over here with me and I will show you exactly how I use TubeBuddy. By the way, I am on the Pro account. Once you have the TubeBuddy installed, it will actually appear at the top right hand corner of your YouTube channel. So once you click on this TubeBuddy, it will go into like a pop-up screen where you can choose all the extension tools at the right hand corner. So first feature that I use a lot is the Keyword Explorer tool. So click on the Keyword Explorer. So this is where you can have your keywords that you want to create. You can click on the different titles that you want to focus on and see what are some of the titles that you can actually create for your YouTube videos. So for example, if I want to create something like gardening for beginners, all right, and I click on Explore, and you will see the summary of the overall score on this particular topic. So this is a good overall score, and if you look at the score analysis at the bottom here, it gives you the search volume, what's your competition in the YouTube channel, and also the optimization strength. This is actually under the unweighted overall score. If you mouse over the unweighted, this is basically telling you how good is this keyword if you want to target your audience in terms of your channel itself. If it's weighted, if you click on the weighted, so this weighted is basically comparing your channel and your competitor channel. Because my channel has nothing got to do with gardening, that is why the overall score is poor. So if you want to create videos that is actually comparing with your competitor, you can actually go into the weighted overall score. If not, the unweighted will be good enough. And when you go into the unweighted, you want to look at basically the yellow portion till the green one. On the right hand side, you will see all the related searches, the different type of content or the different type of content ideas that you can create just by using gardening for beginners videos. So these are some of the related searches that you can create on, and you can actually do it for your next video. So from this summary, you can also click on results. From here, you can see the top 20 search results that will appear compared to your YouTube channel. And because my YouTube channel doesn't have gardening related topics, so definitely my videos don't appear in these search results. But I just want to share with you one of my videos that I created in 2020. It actually appeared under the results. So let me just try to search for it. Video captions, cat wing. Okay, and if I want to recreate more about this, I can still recreate these catwing video captions. If I go under the results, my videos appear in the top 10 in the search results. So if, like for example, there are other people who wants to search for catwing, how to create video captions on catwing, my videos will actually appear. And because YouTube is an evergreen platform and your videos are all evergreen, this video is actually in 2020 and it's still appearing in the search results. So you want to actually create videos that have that particular keyword search so that it can appear in the search results and also get more target audience that you want to target. Okay? So the next feature that I want to share that I use a lot is the recommended text feature. So this is basically under each video that you have. So when you create your videos, you will have this description. You can create description, you can actually put in your titles and everything. So you can actually add in recommended text in there. Even though YouTube kind of like say that text is not really user friendly right now, but what I usually do is I still have the text in my YouTube videos, and then I will actually copy paste the text and put inside my description so that it can be SEO friendly. I'm going to show you how exactly I use this recommended text feature. Okay, so let's say you already have uploaded a YouTube video and you want to edit certain things on that specific YouTube video. So you go to your YouTube studio and you go into your content. Once you go into your content, you can actually edit the specific videos that you want to edit. Let's say I want to edit this, I click on the details, and if you scroll down, this is where you can actually add in your text. If you actually read here, text can be useful if your content of your video is commonly misspelled. Basically, if like for example, somebody misspelled medium or somebody misspelled videos, writing and everything, but with my text, they are able to still reach out my videos because of all this text that I've already included. Okay, and what I like about TubeBuddy is they have recommended text at the bottom here. So what I like to sort out the text by is usually the relevance or the keyword score. So with keyword score this is where I can actually add in all the keywords that if has higher score and add into my text. So simply just click on this, on the plus icon, and it will appear at the top here, okay, at your text over here. So I wouldn't want it to just stay in there. What I will do is I will highlight this, I will copy, and I will paste in my description. So for example, I want to also have this description to be learn how to grow your channel with YouTube shorts, then maybe with a YouTube creator, something like that. Okay, so you want to add in the keywords that you have in your text inside your description so that it can be SEO friendly and your videos will pop up when your audience will search for that particular keywords. The third feature that I want to share with you is all about AI. Yes, TubeBuddy is also a platform that doesn't shy away with AI. And this is one of the features that TubeBuddy just released to YouTube creators, which is actually the thumbnail analyzer. So what does thumbnail analyzer does? So once you are in your YouTube video description or the channel content video details, you can click on this right hand side corner, that TubeBuddy link, and you can click on the thumbnail analyzer. So basically, thumbnail analyzer uses AI tools to analyze your thumbnails and basically predict which one will perform better. It is still on the beta version. It is still trying to pick up a lot of things, but I feel that this is something that is good for a start, especially for new YouTube creator. When you want more views, you want more subscribers, you want more engagement, and definitely you want reach out to other non-subscribers of yours. So click on the thumbnail analyzer. Okay, this is where you can actually upload multiple thumbnails and let the AI give you the idea, the ranking, and how can your video predict to have the highest click. Because that's the most important thing. We want to have the highest click-through rate and definitely audience retention. Okay, so I have a few thumbnail that I tried to upload and see whether it's something that the thumbnail analyzer will pick up to make sure that my other thumbnails is having a higher ranking or a lower ranking. So basically, this is my current thumbnail. Okay, it gives me the heat map where which is slightly the space when my potential audience are going to see. So for the current thumbnail is basically the heat map is around my face area before they go into what my video is all about. Okay, so I actually have uploaded one here, and apparently this thumbnail has a lower effective click-through rate. It is 20% lower. And I uploaded one more time, another one, which is actually a new one. The heat map is around here, and it's still less effective, and it's on minus 22% compared to my current thumbnail. So basically with these results, I am just going to go with my current thumbnail and see how is the click-through rate throughout the videos itself. Okay, if like for example, I do have the thumbnail that will have increased effective in terms of the click-through rate, definitely I will use that thumbnail, and I will actually try to change interchangeably in terms of the thumbnail with the A thumbnail with the B thumbnail, and then see which one has the higher click-through rate. Alright, so the final feature that I want to share with you is some kind like the ChatGPT, where you can generate more ideas about your title. So this is called title generators from TubeBuddy. So all you need to do is just click on this button on your YouTube video itself, click on this title generator, and it will automatically include your video title that you already have. You can then generate some more ideas. If like for example my title is not this, I'm going to change this. Okay, I'm going to change this how Medium helped my YouTube journey, something like that. Okay, I'm gonna use this as the title, and I'm gonna see what kind of ideas can title generator help me with the video title of this video. So these are some of the ideas that title generator can give, so you can change any of this AI title. Another way that I usually do, instead of just title generator, I will always do a poll in my community tab and see what my audience wants to see in terms of the title. You can actually do that. But for a start, you can actually use title generator from TubeBuddy to see what are some of the ideas title that may incur higher click-through rate for your videos. So that's it. These are the 4 features that I usually use when it comes to using TubeBuddy for my YouTube channel. There are many other features on TubeBuddy that you can use, especially if you are on the higher account plan. But as I mentioned, if you are just starting out and if you have less than 1,000 subscribers, upgrading to the Pro account is good enough to start off. I have it linked above on the text and also in the description below if you want to try the free account. If you found this video useful, give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more valuable insights and tips. While you wait for my next video, why not check out this video where I show you how you can get your first 100 subscribers. You won't want to miss this. See you in the next one. Simple features. No, wrong. Nanti I will blabber. Don't change the script. Okay.